Hey developers, how are you doing guys? Welcome back to Developers. My name is Amin. Today we have objects using UseState to work with them. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay with me until the end of the video, and of course put like and comment for me and support me please. Now let's go. Alright, nicely done. Now we know how we can work with arrays using UseState and React.js and have a project like this, and everything is alright. But today we have object in React.js using UseState. First of all, in app.js, I wanna import UseState object here and save our project. Navigate to UseState object here. We have this here. And as you can see, this is our UseState object file. I want to start with creating UseState, put person and set person here. It's equal to UseState, and we should passing some data here. As you know, we can pass some variables, but today I want to say that we can pass directly some data. For example, this object that contains name Peter and age 24, and of course a message here, hello world. We have an object here in our person, and now I want to show this object with UseState. I want to remove this heading 2, use React fragment and work with 3 heading 2. Here the first one is person.name and have 2 other heading 2, age, and of course we have message here. When I save it, we have Peter 24 and hello world here. But something else is I want to put a button here that change message. So start work with onClick here, and we should write our function here, const change message, our function, and we have the function here. When we click on this, we should have this message change. So for this work, we should use this set person to change the value of our object person here, and write, for example, Devon less. And we change the set person value when we click on this button, but as you can see, everything wiped out because it's an object and we put a string here in our set person. So for making it right, we should treat it like an object because we have an object. So write message here, it's equal to Devonless. When I save it and click on this change message, we have just Devonless here, and these 2 arguments get wiped out because we just changed this message. And now what is our solution? The solution is using separate operator like this, dots, 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 and our person, comma, and just a message. Now you can see when we click on this button, we have just the message that's changed. And this way, this solution gets these 2 arguments the way as they are, and there is no change in them, just the message will be changed. It was all about objects and working with them using UseState and React.js. Thanks for watching guys. We are at the end of our video today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and put like and comment for me, and ask your questions in comments. I will answer all of them. Be nice guys. Farewell.